Now let me start with problem number 4 and look at the information here. From the following balances, prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31/3/2018 or 31st March 2018 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act of 2013. So here, bit different than the previous problem. For each problem, there will be new things. You have to learn those. So you have cash sales 2 lakhs, credit sales 3 lakhs, sales returns 20,000. So all these three connected to sales, that is revenue from operations. So earlier I discussed in the basics, cash sales, credit sales, less sales returns will be the total sales. So we have to take this under a note because 3 items are therein. Next, cost of materials consumed 3 lakhs, only one amount. Buildings and machinery. What should we do with this?
We should not consider.
Very good. It is a balance sheet item, so it will not come in the income statement. Next, bad debts 5,000 to be taken. Bad debts is an expense, okay, that is connected to not connected to any headings, so we take under other expenses. Next, tax 30%. This is new thing for you. Note depreciation on buildings and machinery at 10%. Previous problem, you had a amount of depreciation. Here, you don't have an amount of depreciation. You need to calculate 10% of this building value, 10% of this machinery value. You have to calculate 10% on it. So even though we don't enter 2 lakhs and 1,50,000, that is the buildings and machinery, on that we calculate the depreciation in the depreciation and amortization heading. So these are the few new things in this problem number 4. So let me get into this question bank 105 page number, problem number 4. Statement of profit or loss for 2018. Pro forma is same, and as I told, we need to have one heading for the operations, revenue from operations, and one heading for depreciation. So we have to have it. So that I am showing you here. So remaining as usual, same format. Let us go one by one now. Cash sales 2 lakhs, credit sales 3 lakhs. So cash sales 2 lakhs, credit sales 3 lakhs, and you have sales return 20,000. So that we have to take like this. We have to first do total sales. That will come to 5 lakhs less sales returns 20,000. Net sales is 4,80,000. So this 4,80,000 will be the revenue from operation. So this 4,80,000 we have to take it here under revenue from operations. This is the first thing. Then going back to problem, first 3 items we have considered. Next is cost of materials consumed 3 lakhs, only one amount. Cost of materials consume. We have here heading only one amount. So I'm entering straight away in the income statement, 3 lakhs. Next, buildings won't be considered, machinery won't be considered, bad debts, 5,000. I'm entering under the heading other expenses. So only one amount is there. You want, for your reference, I'll put it as bad debts, 5,000. Next, tax, we'll take it later. Depreciation on building and machinery to be calculated at 10% each. Each means on building also 10%, on machinery also 10%. So let us see here. We have a heading depreciation and amortization. So depreciation on building, first we will take up. Building value is 2 lakhs. On 2 lakhs, 10%. It amounts to 20,000. Next, depreciation on machinery. Machinery value is 1,50,000. 10% of it amounts to 15,000. So 2 depreciations they have given. So if we calculate that, it becomes 20,000 and 15,000. Total is 35,000. So this 35,000 I will take to depreciation and amortization. So now you can see we have completed all except tax. Tax part I will work now later. So as usual, we'll go for totaling after all the entries. No other incomes in this problem, 4,80,000. Then we have 3 expenses. You can see here 3,35,000 and 5,000. So the total expenses will be 3,40,000. That will be 4. That will be 4. 3,40,000. So 4,80,000 total revenue minus 3,40,000. That will be the profit before tax, 1,40,000. This 1,40,000 we will take here for calculation of tax at 30%. That is less tax. So on 1,40,000, 30%, if you calculate, you will get 42,000. So 1,40,000 minus 42, 98,000 is profit after taxes for the year.